Wires hum, the circuits scream, a fractured code in a broken dream. Signals clash, the noise invades, a world decayed in digital waves. Every screen a flickering light, feeding the chaos of pacify. Drones of static fill the air, in the silence we despair. Static chaos, drowning sound, electric fury all around. No escape, no peace to find. Static chaos in our minds. Feedback burns, the signal's dead, a neon noose wrapped round our heads. Synthetic voices blur the lines between what's real and their designs. Every keystroke, every click feeds the machine, makes it tick. Lost in networks we can't see, trapped in this static symphony. Static chaos, drowning sound, electric fury all around. No escape, no peace to find. Static chaos in our minds. Pulse of the wires, rhythm of dread, living like ghosts in a grid of the dead. The signal bends, the current breaks,